My name is Stefano Purdy, and I have accounting. And a lot of people think, accounting is their fault, but really it's not. It's no one's fault in particular. Almost no one's fault, but you just gotta get past that and focus on what's really important in life. And here's a bit about my life after accounting. Having accounting, my life has been completely different. First of all, I've got a small business going. I've been selling like pens and pencils. It's not a big thing, but just pens and pencils I don't need. I've been selling them to my friends and stuff, and all of a sudden you got this like FIFO, LIFO, and that's been coming into play, and that's been a real big issue lately. Like first you got like first in, first out. Like that's not just, you gotta sit down and plan that out. That really affects your income statements, and your balance sheet. And later you got LIFO, last in, first out, and totally different ballgame. Last inventory is the first that you sell, and then oh my God, you can even take the average of that, and Jesus Christ, it changes everything,
So you have your own operation. How do you get the pens to your customers?
Pens? There are ways to travel. I'm not a cheap guy, but shipping costs do come into play. You got FOB shipping, for instance, in which the buyer pays. It's kind of rude. They're buying from you. They've done enough already. They've given you their business. What more can you ask from them? So I don't want to impose. I do FOB destination. I pay. So happy to have someone there, to buy from me, that I'll pay whatever, it doesn't even matter. And that's how I feel about that.
Symptoms of accounting.
I'm sorry, what was that?
What are some symptoms of accounting?
Accounting, it gets in like every aspect of your life. It makes you red in the face. You just constantly think about revenue, expenses, dividends, all your temporary accounts. And you know what? You keep thinking about that, you're gonna be dead. You're gonna be debiting your expenses, your assets, and your dividends. You're gonna be dead meat, man. And you're not gonna forget that, how it feels. I'm gonna need a minute.
How do you account for the things that you've done?
The things that I've done? Can we get a blank? The things that I've done. It's tough to even talk about those because I believe in accrual accounting. I do those things, without anyone paying me. I get no cash for what I've done. I do things for people, and I write it down, I record it. I don't expect anything immediately. I wait in the long term, and people pay me later. That's, but I still record it even without the money. I write down what they've done and what I've done, as though they have paid me. Later on, when they have, I record that in a separate account. I mean, that's all any of us can do when we have accounting. That's the most you can ask of a person. Stop the video.
My name is Stefano Purdy, and I have accounting.